Rain Brings Frogs, A Little Book of Hope by Marianne Coco Leffler. When Mom says, I hate rain, Nate says, rain brings frogs. When Ben says, not enough, Nate says, enough to share. When his sister says, it's so ugly, Nate says, it's so warm. When Charlie says, keep out, Nate says, room for all. When Dad says, mud, 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 Nate says, rainbow, rainbow, rainbow. When Casey says, I lost, Nate says, I finished. When Liz says, I need more, Nate says, I need one. When his friends say, nothing to do, Nate says, enjoy the view. When everyone says, we see clouds, Nate says, behind the clouds, I see sun. The end.